Are the Aran Islands worth visiting? Are the Aran Islands worth visiting? Let's take a closer look at what makes these islands a special destination. Located off the west coast of Ireland in Galway Bay, the Aran Islands consist of 3 islands: Inis Mór, Inis Meain, and Inis Oirr. Each island has its own charm and unique features. The natural beauty of the Aran Islands is striking. You will find rugged cliffs that rise dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean. The windswept terrain is dotted with stone walls and traditional Irish cottages. This scenery offers fantastic opportunities for photography and leisurely walks. The views are breathtaking, especially from the cliffs, where you can see the vast ocean stretching to the horizon. Inis Mór, the largest of the islands, is home to Dún Aonghasa, an ancient fort perched on a cliff. This site is one of the most famous prehistoric locations in Ireland. Walking through its stone walls, you can feel the history that surrounds you. The other islands also have their own historical sites, making them rich in culture and heritage. The Aran Islands are not just about stunning views and history. They also provide a chance to experience traditional Irish culture. Many locals still speak Irish as their first language, and you can find traditional music and dance in local pubs. The islands have a unique charm that allows visitors to disconnect from the fast pace of modern life. Traveling to the Aran Islands is quite easy. Ferries run regularly from Doolin, Rossaville, and Galway City. You can also take a short flight from Connemara Airport. The ferry ride offers beautiful views of the coastline, making the journey part of the experience. When it comes to accommodations, you will find a range of options, from cozy bed and breakfasts to hostels and hotels. Inis Mór has the most choices, but all islands have places to stay. Activities on the islands include exploring ancient forts, hiking along the cliffs, and enjoying the local cuisine. You can also take a ride in a traditional horse-drawn cart, which adds to the charm of your visit. So, are the Aran Islands worth visiting? If you appreciate stunning scenery, rich history, and vibrant culture, the answer is a resounding yes. The islands offer a unique experience that showcases the beauty of Irish landscapes and mountain terrains. Whether you are looking for adventure or relaxation, the Aran Islands have something for everyone.